Good morning, Teals. I'm Aubrey.
And I'm Adam.
And this is T-Wolf TV from Monday, March 20th. Please stand and join us for reciting the national anthem.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Happy birthday to you. If your birthday is March 19th through 25th, come to the main office for your birthday sucker from PAC.
Students, if you are taking AP classes and planning on taking the AP test, you must at least put a deposit down for your test and order it in the counseling office by Wednesday, March 22nd. And don't you forget, that's this Wednesday.
Help send the Timpanogos cheer team off to nationals at the Cheer Showcase night on Tuesday, March 21st at 7 p.m. in the main gym. Don't miss the special guest performance, and the first 25 students there get a free pizza.
Tonight is THS Family Spirit Night at Costa Vida. Come to Costa Vida for dinner from 5 to 9 p.m. and mention you support Timpanogos High, and they will donate a portion of the proceeds to our school.
You're seeing the construction zone behind the school. Kind of a mess now, but when it's all finished, THS will have an amazing new softball field. Here's T-Wolf TV's Isaac Davies with the story.
Hey T-Wolves, I'm Isaac, and we're here with Principal Jensen to talk about the new softball dugouts. And we were going to find out when they'll be done and who paid for them.
So they will be done right after spring break, which is really exciting. We are switching a couple of home and away games because they won't be done for a couple of those first home games. But they will be done just basically right after spring break, and it'll make it one of the nicest fields, I think, in the valley. It's a huge improvement to our fields. As far as who paid for them, we advocated because if you've ever noticed, we don't have bathrooms or concessions really by our football field, softball, track, all that kind of thing. and we are the only school left in the district that didn't have those things. And so we advocated for that. The school community council advocated for that, and our district is actually paying for that, which is fantastic because it's a huge expense to put in the bathrooms and all that kind of thing. It's going to be really nice when it's done out there for all the different sports that are near there.
Well, there you have it, T-Wolves. I'm Isaac, and that's all for T-Wolf TV.
Seniors, many scholarship deadlines are due soon. The Keys to Success scholarship application is due today. Don't pass up $2,000 to UVU, $500 for MATC, and others. The PTSA $500 scholarships are due next Friday. Pick up applications on the scholarship board in the counseling center.
Academic letters are due by March 31st, so plan now. If you have good grades and have excelled in a subject, you might have earned an academic letter. Check the college career readiness site for details.
Are you interested in playing Timpanogos girls soccer this fall? There is a meeting for players interested in trying out and their parents. Come get details about tryouts, summer camp, training, and what it takes to be a true T-Wolf soccer player. Tuesday, March 21st at 8 p.m. in the Little Theater.
Good luck to the boys tennis team this afternoon here at home against Springville, and good luck to the sophomore baseball team also here at home against Lehigh. Come out back after school to support the teams. Go T-Wolves. For T-Wolf TV, I'm Adam.
And I'm Aubrey. Have a great day, T-Wolves.